Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Goa witnesses a historical moment. Padma Bhushan and Pitamaha of Konkani movement Ravindrabab Kelekar conferred with Gyanpith Award. Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar does the honours. NCB backs MIPI's demand of giving police drug mafia nexus case to the CBI. State President Zuzay to demand this in the next cabinet meeting. Government Employees Association postpones their pen-down strike following Chief Secretary's assurance. Association demands implementation of 6-pay commission recommendations and clarity. Sargambur coach takes a dig at AIFF. Federalifa says it is difficult to plan anything as I-League dates are not declared yet. And girls should come out and use advanced facilities to make a career in sports, says Sports Authority of India's officer Satish Bagal. And now the news in detail. Goa witnessed a proud historical moment on Saturday morning. Padma Bhushan and Pitamaha of Konkani movement Ravindra Kelekar was conferred upon the highest literary award, Gyanpith, at the hands of Meera Kumar, the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Taking inspiration from the startling speech made by Ravindrabab, Meera Kumar appealed to the writers to take a step for the renaissance in the country on the lines of Europe.
The Dinanath Mangeshkar Kala Mandir was overflowing with writers, artists, teachers, students and Goans at large to witness the historical movement receiving Jnanpith for Konkani, the language which was not considered as a language by the rulers 3 decades ago. Obviously, the whole auditorium gave a standing ovation to this great victory and a proud honor to our great writer Ravindrabab. Meera Kumar initially read out her formal speech and then spoke extempore in reply to what Ravindrabab spoke.
क्या अब तक हमको जात पात की प्रथा छोड़ नहीं देनी चाहिए थी? क्या हमको आज तक इस सामाजिक भेदभाव का त्याग नहीं कर देना चाहिए था और आगे नहीं बढ़ जाना चाहिए था? Let's move on. तो क्यों नहीं हमारे देश में रेनेसांस हुआ? और रेनेसांस नहीं हुआ, इसलिए आज उसकी कीमत चुकानी पड़ रही है. इसलिए और जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आज से 2 शताब्दी पहले 3 शताब्दी पहले अगर यूरोप में रेनेसांस हो गया है तो अब भारतवर्ष में नहीं होगा. आज भी उसकी शुरुआत हो सकती है. जब हमारे पास ऐसे मूर्धन्य साहित्यकार हैं जो इतना पैना सोचते हैं और इतना पैना और अचूक वार कर सकते हैं, तब हमें क्या करनी है?
Ravindrabab is not keeping well. He was thus brought into an ambulance to the venue, but he sat on the dais for 3 long hours. His speech was read out by Namwar Singh, a veteran Hindi writer and Vice-Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University. The appeal for Renaissance was made by Ravindrabab on the lines of European countries.
विक्टर ह्यूगो बड़े गर्व से कहा करता था, इटली ने रेनेसांस आंदोलन चलाया, जर्मनी ने रिफॉर्मेशन का आंदोलन चलाया और यूरोप को बदला. फ्रांस ने सिर्फ एक वोल्टेयर पैदा किया. उसने रेनेसांस रिफॉर्मेशन के साथ साथ आधा रिवॉल्यूशन चलाया और न सिर्फ फ्रांस की बल्कि पूरे यूरोप की शक्ल सूरत ही बदल डाली. ऐसा कोई एक वोल्टेयर देश की किसी एक भाषा में पैदा होगा, तभी आज की हालत जड़ मूल से बदल जाएगी.
Ravindrabab came down heavily on glorification of English language in India and compared it to bonsai technology. This was the hard-hitting point Meera Kumar was referring to.
नारियल का पेड़ जो गगन को छूने के लिए ऊपर तक जाता है, उसे सिर्फ 5 फुट ऊंचा इस कला के द्वारा बनाया गया. मैंने देखा है, बड़ा ही सुंदर दिखाई देता है, मगर वो नारियल नहीं दे पाता, दीवान खाने की शोभा बढ़ाने के ही काम आता है। इस कला को बोनसाई कला कहते हैं। अंग्रेजी ने हमारे देश में कई बोनसाई विद्वान, बोनसाई बुद्धिजीवी, बोनसाई लेखक और अब तो बोनसाई पाठक भी निर्माण किए हैं। परिसंवादों की शोभा बढ़ाने के काम आते हैं, ठोस कुछ भी नहीं दे सकते। क्या हम बोनसाई लोगों का होने देंगे?
The words of Ravindra Bab provoked the Lok Sabha speaker to speak from bottom of her heart, especially on bonsai Indians.
बोनसाई अब तक मुझे अच्छा लगता था, मगर आज से मेरी राय बदल गई है।
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said with this award, no person would now dare to humiliate Kokni anymore.
ताणी हे अवॉर्ड हो पुरस्कार रवींद्र बाबाक दिवन भारतीय ज्ञानपीठाचें स्थान वाडयल्लें आसा आनी कोंकणीक एक अशा जाग्यार व्हरून दवरिल्लें आसा की जे कोण कोंकणीचे बद्दल कितेंय उलयताले, हांव कसल्याच कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी वचना आसतना सांगता की कोंकणीचे बद्दल जे कोणीय कितें उलयताले, म्हाका दिसता हाजे मुखार तरी कोण कोणाक उलोवपाचें धाडस करपाचें ना.
Director of Jnanpith awardee Ravindra Kalia welcomed the gathering. Selection Board Chairman Sitakant Mahapatra introduced Ravindra Bab. Rupachari compared. A reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Nationalist Congress Party on Saturday unanimously demanded CBI inquiry into the police-politician drugs nexus. State NCP has conveyed this demand to the NCP High Command. NCP State President and Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza said that he will raise this issue in the next cabinet meeting.
New NCP President Jose Philip D'Souza held his first meeting of Executive Committee in Panchi. Various issues were discussed during the meeting. NCP Executive Committee unanimously demanded CBI inquiry into the police-politician drug nexus case.
Today party has taken a decision that this case should be handed over to CBI. That's one.
Police directions.
Yes.
So I
Baba,
demand this in the house.
no, I cannot demand this in the house. You know, I am a minister. How I can demand this in the house? That definitely, yeah. My party, I see my party member, I mean MLA, have already demand also.
NCP State President D'Souza said that they have also informed their High Command about this demand.
Cabinet also I will definitely discuss. I will give the feelings of my executive party members.
NCP ministers will be available to public in NCP office on every Tuesday to hear public grievances.
We have already distributed the work of the party to mobilize to strengthen our party. Even two ministers, myself and Nilkan Haldankar, tourism minister, we have decided that we have to be in this party office every week on Tuesday.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.